abuza Wode Maya akokasa fa Galamsey nsense when asenya Wode Maya ese kan asem no Ghana for say Wode Maya o ye hypocrite nya atwemerewura eti Ghana for say in fact yenya omu yemu omu kwai na omo Wode Maya pa mo no mabro ne wura de mu twa to ma twa etwa ne ti nyina ma enka ho asem na ekoso aha Penyah block media message any day mo oba like video na that over subscribe button na click the bell na call plate update aba kire wa dwen dia ma me e welcome message oba so a no share video na ma offer so enya bi ahye it make ya 2024 you better about them there content creator be not in the platform a campaign against Galamsey. It is here the campaign against Galamsey there and any the blame them the certain government. It's that is obia epo Galamsey dia. The picture that comes to mind is the face of a Kufuado. What I say? Now oti Galamsey, the picture that comes in mind is the face of a Kufuado behind Galamsey. And is here now edo be in 2024. And the back nipa akwa no di makotene pa ye Wode Maya. Wode Maya on many occasions blamed Akufo-Addo government for Galamsey activities. Emma even Occupy Jurubi House protested kwa sebi ebi kodin se muru raf mo ni place for kondo kwa ya chi bi tu mo no. Wode Maya ebe gina so kra sa bebo aban na chi mo say why are you arresting people who are fighting for the betterment of this country? Galamsey is degrading this country and we must take bold steps. Take bold actions against it. And Wode Maya there, on many occasions, in fact, of fire who for the power for Galamsey. Now you're top year 2025, Galamsey Ecoso. It Wode Maya Eco PMU. Ewo, what's in region Croniba Coso? Ne adventure, Oko PMU on as Okoloketi Galamsey, Ecoso Ewo forest.
So I found a paradise somewhere in the forest, man. Look at that. I definitely want to build a house like this, man. Woo! This is gorgeous, man.
So unique. And everything is made of wood and glass. Wood and glass. No box.
Oh my goodness, look at the chandelier.
That's so cool. It's literally like a branch of a tree with lights.
Where's my food, babes?
Where's your food?
Yeah. This is a dining, right?
Have you noticed everything is made of wood? The table, the chairs, it's just so unique. Even the sink over there.
Ooh. Look at that. This is so creative, bro. There's no single block or brick in here. Let me show you one of the uniqueness about this place. Come on. See, this is more like your terrace or balcony, and everything is wood.
Huge.
Very. Look at this. This is the.
You can't miss these unique details.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is creativity.
Wow, I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Because sometimes you just see tree branches, you just want to burn them. But look at the creativity here. There's so much you can do with pieces of wood. Babe, what do you have here?
Show them. I just want to show you this. They did not cut any tree in here, so they built around the tree.
This is so impressive. They actually have a shower from the tree. Babes, open the water.
So open the water?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Look at that. So cool.
So cute.
And even what you're standing on, made from wood.
Everything.
Wow.
And if you have never seen a cocoa plant before, this is the cocoa plantation everywhere.
So I feel like this place is extremely romantic. Like imagine coming here with your bae and you want to take a shower outside. You just come here and take a shower. This is what we call the outdoor shower. And you can actually do it here. Do what?
The cocoa view, right? So let's like, like you're showering like this, and I am here. And then all you do is to look here. You get it?
Hey, babes.
Okay, yeah. The cocoa view.
So at night it lights up and it's well lit. Oh.
This is so cute. You want to see the room?
Look at this outer space. You sit here, read, take coffee. Very nice. Even the dustbin is made of wood. That's
Yeah.
not joking.
Look at that.
Everything wood. Look at that cute light fixture.
I don't know why the fridge was not made out of wood, by the way.
The fridge is the only thing not made out of wood.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's okay.
Let me take you to the room, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
The first thing that I see is that it's so spacious.
The first thing I see is the bed. This
Oh, wow.
is so unique. Look at this. I mean, look at this headboard. Very creative. Don't you notice it's a bed?
Yeah.
So cool. And then look at the closet. Glass in wood. Oh my gosh.
I just love the place.
Oh, the floor. Babe, you see the floor?
Yeah, it's everything.
Wow. Oh my
The
God.
bathtub is Sing
Oh,
Sing.
wow.
Sing
This
Sing.
is so cool. And it's also made of wood. I've never seen a bathtub made of wood. And the towel holder as well. This is crazy.
You want to put your soap and everything?
Oh, it is a soap holder.
Everything.
I'm telling you guys can really get creative. This is extremely creative. And do you think it's more affordable than using blocks or do you think it's more expensive?
Trust me, this would be more expensive than using.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Chandelier. Look at this.
Sink,
Sink. Wow.
cold,
Wooden
box.
things. Is this lights?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Everything.
I'm so inspired. Have you seen the roof, babes? Look at that.
Oh my goodness! So that's a touch roof. Let me show you the bathroom.
Oh, I love that it's a sliding door.
Sliding door. That's the toilet, and it's even wooden. Plus, where the what do you call
Tissue
it?
holder.
Tissue holder.
Creativity. That's so creative.
And if you don't want to do the outdoor shower,
Closet.
the first.
That's so cool.
Oh, that's that was the shower. I was looking for.
This is very, very, very unique. I've never seen a house that has used only wood and glass.
I'm just so
And then
impressed with the
have you noticed
lighting.
how, the chandelier, and then also it's mostly glass all around. So when you draw the curtains, there's sufficient lighting.
Would you love to spend a night in here? Let us know in the comment section. Or have you spent a night in a place like this? The saddest part of it all is that it got a perfect view. Come and see this one. So within is it terrace or balcony? Yes. It got a perfect view.
Of river, what's the name of the river again?
River Tunnel and the forest. But unfortunately, Ghanaians decided to destroy, or should I say some Ghanaians decided to destroy the river for their selfish gains. This is River Tunnel. Where we are is Western region here. And when you cross the river, that is Western North. So it's River Tunnel that divides Western region and Western North. I'm just gonna see you all in the next one, but don't forget to like this video, follow Miss Trudy's page, share this video, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Thank you.
Found a paradise somewhere in the forest, man. Look at that. Trust me, Ghana is a beautiful place to be. Ooh. I can't talk to you, eh? Please, just 1 minute.
You can talk.
Huh? Yo, this is such a beautiful cabin sitting right here in the... I mean, this is definitely gonna be my dream home.
Absolutely.
This is gorgeous.
Unfortunately, the forest that you see is being destroyed by Galamsey.
Oh my goodness. Is it Galamsey going on right now? This is the Tunnel River. That's the effect of Galamsey. Actually, I got so sad driving in here. This is crazy. Like, I just can't believe it, man. Like, listen, I've counted over 100 Galamsey sites. Should I say it's uncountable? It's uncountable. You see? Look at that. They are promoting tourism and they are destroying the forest. The guy, so no one is gonna do anything? It's illegal, right? Purely illegal. river is definitely a source of drinking water to so many people. This is the popular Tano River. And look at the state of the river just because of one person's greed. I mean, listen, the saddest part of this all is that the previous administration, quote unquote, saying that they are trying their possible best to fight Galamsey. And the new administration, one of their campaign messages was to tackle the Galamsey. And it's so sad to see that I just came in here. Listen, this was not a deliberate video to do. This is a cabin right in the forest. I just came here with my wife just to have a good time. And I just saw this. And as a guy who cares about this country, I don't care about your political affiliation. All I care about, Ghana deserves better. And the people of this beautiful country deserves better. You can insult me as much as you can, but one thing you cannot do is to defeat the truth. I am here. You might be staying in Accra, but listen, I think, Your Excellency, something has to be done about this. You definitely know the person behind this.
Oh, definitely politicians. It's always politicians. We can give you concrete names and of those behind it.
Politicians?
So it's so sad that you just came to relax and you are seeing this. These are things that we face, challenges we face day in and day out. We have been fighting these. We take them out, they come back. This is how it starts. We are fighting Galamsey in our major forest. It's all over the news. Our major forest at Tananimere, but there's a small plantation in Tananimere, and it starts this way. And they're already in the forest, as you can see. If you don't care about it now, when can you care about it? It started last year, 2 years ago, and this year, 2025, it's still happening.
Why are you even doing this close to a water body?
Usually, all the damages, you can see their previous damages, they do it close to the river because they want maybe a water source to do their washing, and this is what we are faced with. And I think that it's time that we do something about it.
Yeah, I think we need to do this. Listen, if you want the best for Ghana, like this video. Tag His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I salute you. Thirdly, press the share button, because we can't stay in a country for all of us to keep quiet, because at the end of the day, it's not affecting you. Listen, this water source is what we get everywhere in the country. At the end of the day, people are going to die because of the chemicals that are being used. These are the disadvantages. You might think that it might not affect you. It's closer to you more than you think.
Now, how I was he making this particular post, no? And on call TikTok, and what should I say? Why are Ghanaians destroying Ghana? And on the hashtag Galamsey. You always say, I didn't in Ghana for say or my Ghana, no. Now, sir, post you know here with this caption, no. And I'm about to say there be Wode Maya. There be now, just now they won't say, a Ghana for say or mine, no. But I didn't go for to say the Galamsey. One that say, why are Ghanaians? Now what they can say, I didn't go for what is not Galamsey air cost. It's a one for in fact, Wode Maya a hypocrite. Now, comment section there. Baby, be a video comment but no be the video ever. Let's watch this video.
Ghana for Asamaba. NDC for some Mahu hypocrite. Sa Wode Maya. When you na meka. Me come here for Mishiamia, and I'm a boy NDC for Chido. And I'm a boy NDC for Chido. I'm reporting my account. No. Mom pen correct. Someone jai a hypocrite, and I'm one jai a chomono. Not a man can man pay man can cry. Men so minja video ni yet da. The man pay man can cry. Minja video ni. Wode Maya so sin na nakofado so say nakofado to Galamsey. Edu Mahama so de. Edu Jo Mahama so de. And a Ghana for. I didn't tell Ghana for yes sir. Edu Jo Mahama so de. Ghana for na yes sir. Na nakofado him fa no hu say nakofado ko gina wo agina machine hu ana or the machine to Galamsey. Bi da. Nya twom ne man ko a na ndisi for mo ye. Edu ndisi food ndisi time de. Ghana for na ye. Ada na Ghana for say omo land. But nanado de o mo se pekas kitana obo ana nanado et machine so a o to Galamsey. When you na okaka yemu bi won ma attended no man kire but mo for so say yemra mediatem aso enam Christo share dinti yɛde akyɛ mo but mo wankasa kama na betua mo nyinaa ka kama be jeji yɛn nyinaa.
So let's get to the comment section and read about 2 or 3 comments. Ni Epetire say, you blamed Akufo-Addo for Galamsey with vulgar words. Now that you are covering the same Galamsey issue under the government you campaigned and voted for, you are not using the same energy. Don't be biased. I just say Wode Maya. Onimpefe say, how are we lambasting Akufo-Addo for Galamsey? And the kind of words that we see against him. Now party now we do much campaigning for them. Come say Ghana former a be voting ma woman. Galamsey so there. Oh, what's my worker? What's you've changed the narrative. Let me just say, Wode Maya, bias. Anna Chief did it, especially said, you need to openly and criticize well. And for the time you criticize the president at the JDM, you are criticizing Ghanaians. Posterity will judge us all. Oh, there be Unia. Nyakukodro criticize Abano. First one about Abano because for the time what we are say, oh, bo Abano ano periania humre by JDM time there. What if Suboni Bogana for posterity will judge us all. Anna Cardinal especially say, today Ghanaians are destroying Ghana. One of our major problems is the hypocrisy of some of us. Call out the government as you did few months ago, and by then the people involved were Togolese. Ghana how baako pa nyatwo. How baako pa nyatwo. Send ye wusi this one bo aban no tese dada no. Ebosi mense bi atwam no. Saa na fa so bo aban a wotisu nei and change the narrative. And in fact, Ghana for Benya Wode Maya for this post here or make you concerning Galamsey. Do you think say Wode Maya or a hypocrite? And I say he's now speaking the truth. Now him for Krana. And him for Krana was a blame woman for Galamsey. Is it the government officials or the citizens? I how you Penyah Block Media.